Hello, I'm Sophia. I'm the owner of this house.
Hello, my name is Derek. I'm an interior designer for this house. And welcome to this house. You don't laugh, you laugh already, already lah.
I think for me, I like white color a lot, so I don't like clutter. So that's why I have a lot of wardrobes in the entire house to hide everything inside the cupboards. Yeah, so it looks like minimalist, but yet not so much of a minimalist as well. Actually, I like the living room and the dressing room. I think those are the nicest part. He managed my expectations because I told him I wanted the house before Chinese New Year this year. Then he was like, "Oh, I think very hard to do it." Then I told him, I think you can lah. Because he told me about 2 to 3 months, more likely 3 months. Then at that point in time when he first started, it was like 2 months left kind. And yeah, he managed to get everything done in time.
The time sure got sometimes they say, hey, this date cannot be done, that date cannot be done. But you must know how you're going to use another contractor to come in to fulfill other things, do together. You cannot say that, okay, electrical cannot be done, then I put down there for 1 month, just waiting for them. No, you can do other things also.
I've known Derek for years, and yeah, so he was one of the people that I contacted for quotation and stuff. Most of the pricing are more or less the same actually, but I think Derek was very sincere. He gave me quite a few ideas, and he knew that I was a first-time owner. So he sort of know that there's a lot of things that I don't know if what certain things are correct. I mean, what should be done and stuff. So a lot of things he made the decision for me, and I just leave it to him. There's a lot of small things that a lot of homeowners will miss out. Example, a doorbell. I never even thought of it. But then towards the end of it, then he'll ask me, your doorbell haven't installed, right? Then I was like, yeah, haven't. I haven't even thought of a doorbell. So yeah, it's all these small things that helps a lot. I know that along the way, right, I changed my mind a fair bit, and he was very accommodating to it. And he helped me to like tell the contractors, hey, this thing is not working, that thing is not working. I didn't need to liaise with the subcons at all. And it was really a one-stop solution. Yeah.
Of course, because they also rushing to move in. You cannot expect them to go and stay at a hotel. You cannot expect them to go to stay at any place. At the end of the day, you must put them in the first place. Try to finish up as soon as possible so that at least can ease their mind.
For sure. For sure, because I think he's well priced. I really appreciated the help that he liaised with all the subcons on behalf of me. And he just knew what I want somehow. Like certain things I never tell him, he also do it. Then he'll be like, oh, nice. Okay, bye.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.